how to log into your battle.net account step by step. So in here, the very first thing to do is simply open the application, and after doing that, here you can also use a web browser if you want to. You can get the option of login. Simply tap on login, then tap on continue. We'll get into the login page of our battle.net account, right? So in here, all you need to do is make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your account. So simply tap on the email or the phone number of your account, then tap on continue. Then you can simply add in the password of your account, then tap on login, and just like that, you'll be able to log in or sign up to your battle.net account. So in case if you have forgotten any of your credentials, you'll actually be able to get the option of forgot email or password. You can tap on it, go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset it too. So if you have lastly used any of those platforms to log in, to sign up or create your account, then you can tap on those platforms and then go along with the process of adding the credentials to their own account, and then just like this, you'll be able to successfully log into your battle.net account. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.